Part 2 to the project truck. I took off, we have a problem. I took off the plastic and didn't realize there was a dent. All this. But nothing I can't repair. This one probably be the most hardest. Maybe not that bad. This, I'm pretty sure, will be easy. And we got another problem. We got all these wires hanging. They were cut to theft. And it doesn't start. But I cleaned it up a bit in the interior. The seats, I'm gonna have to get a vacuum for that. But I'm having a problem with that. I'm missing the, it's like a little gear. It's the actuator, ignition actuator, something like that. It goes right here actually. It moves this. You'll see once I push this back, that turns on, as you see. But when I push it forward, as to when the truck starts, truck doesn't start. It doesn't start. Doesn't start, so I'm guessing it doesn't start because it doesn't start because it has none of the wires in. I mean, none of the wires connected. If anybody can help me to see where these wires go, I'm pretty sure this one goes with this one. They put tape around it. They put a blue wire. Wire is red. They put tape. Pretty sure that goes together. I'm just not sure where this one goes. I'm not sure where that black one goes. I have a bunch of other cables loose. I'm pretty sure that's the reason I took the battery charged today. And that's one of the problems I'm having right now. I can't start it because of those wires, I'm guessing. And because I need to order that part. So it can put it in to start it. I need that gear, the actuator. I'm gonna change the ignition too, cylinder. I'm gonna be changing the key locks. But I mean, it cleaned up nice. It's not too bad, honestly. It's not bad, just the seats. That's the biggest concern. And no stereo. Low miles though, but if anybody knows if I'm missing anything else, let me know, because I might be missing something else, or I'm maybe missing something down here that I don't know of. Let me know. The wires under the hood seem to be okay. Well, coming out into the under the hood. It's just these, since it was a theft. That's a big pain. I think next video I'm gonna be taking this out, changing a new one. And maybe somebody helps me and we put that together and we get it started up and order the parts. And maybe the third video, that's when I'll fix that dent. Yeah, it's a pain. Man, look, when they painted it, I mean, overall, it's not ugly. Cleaned up well. Cleaned up very well. Just having a problem starting it, that's all. Having a bad start to building this project. Thought it would start. I mean, the rest of the body seems kind of straight. Let's go around. Tight space here, sorry. Let's look at this other side. This other side isn't bad. So what I'm planning to do is got the whole interior. Not completely leave this. Maybe change the dash to black. Hopefully change the seats to black. Do the full carpet all the way to the back right here, up there. This carpet, I didn't like it so much. Put these mats here because they had a big old stain. I'm guessing that's paint. And plus they have another carpet underneath, or mat. It's like that rubber. So I'm gonna be changing that. I'm be changing it to the whole black inside. Looks pretty straightforward though. And the doors, just plastic trim. The whole body else is square, it's functional. So that will be closing out the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know, anybody down in the comment section, if you can help me with that. Or this, if I'm missing anything else. I'm pretty sure I'm just missing the actuator. And hopefully, once I get those connected, the truck will start, because it has power, but I'm pretty sure it's just one of those cables. And honestly, it should be running after that. Thanks for watching. Peace out.